Hi everyone, today I want to tell you how you can go ahead and get digital content from O'Neill's catalog. So first thing you do is go to O'Neill's homepage, then you're going to want to go to O'Neill's online catalog. Once you're there, you're going to select something called Destiny Discover. This is where you're going to get access to all of the digital content that we have, including ebooks and audiobooks. So you're just going to go ahead and scroll down, and you'll see we have a whole bunch of ebooks right here. You can click on the See All, or you can select a book you're interested in. You know me with my fourth down in inches concussion stuff. So if you find a book, you can go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to have to enter your username and your password. Same as what you do when you're logging into your computer. Once you log in, you will have the option of checking it out or simply opening the book up. I recommend just opening the book up. And you will have the actual book right there, which is really pretty amazing. When you're done with the book, all you have to do is go ahead and scroll to the top of the page, and you will see where there's an option to close the book. Once you close the book, you can go ahead and look at another book, or I want to show you where we have our audiobooks. Audiobooks, same way, find a book you're interested in. Just go ahead and click on it, especially after you have already logged in, and you'll have the option to play it right there. There may be times with both the digital ebook and the digital audiobook that you might have to re-log in, so I just want to prepare you for that. If you ever log out of your computer, my guess is you're going to have to go ahead and re-log in each time you want to listen to your book or read your ebook. But hopefully this gives you some ideas of some different content that you can access using our online catalog. I did want to make you aware of other resources that we have that are available digitally. If you go to the digital resources page on the library page for O'Neill, you will see we have digital books to download that are from a publisher called Namalos. Those books are available, and I give you very clear directions on how to get access to those books. We also subscribe to something called Access 360. This will allow you to have a lot of digital books available. All you have to do is log in after you download the app. Hopefully this has given you some ideas for where you can go to access digital content through O'Neill. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, Mrs. Squires.